Solve x squared plus 3x equals 5. Use a calculator to approximate to 3 decimal places the solutions with rational numbers. We have this equation here. Let's subtract 5 from both sides to get a 0 on one side. And now we have a quadratic equation in standard form. It doesn't factor, so we'll use the quadratic formula with a equals 1, b equals 3, and c equals -5. It gives us x equals the opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c, substituting each time I said that, all over 2 times a. Now that simplifies to -3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus -20, or 9 plus 20, or 29, all over 2. This gives us two solutions. We have -3 plus the square root of 29 over 2, and we have -3 minus the square root of 29 over 2. Using a calculator, we would put parentheses, and we would say the opposite of 3 plus the square root of 29, close the parentheses, and divide by 2. And that would be approximately 1.193, rounding to 3 decimal places. Here we would do the same thing, only we would subtract the square root of 29, and we would find that that's approximately -4.193. So, rounding to 3 decimal places, the solutions are approximately, and they aren't exact because we rounded, 1.193 and -4.193.